Robus Linx includes energy management with reports on usage and savings versus a standard on-off system. Lighting status monitoring, providing alerts if a light or device fails. Data privacy is guaranteed with no dependence on cloud server services. Smart emergency automatically monitoring and testing emergency lighting compliance. Plug-and-play building lighting automation. Integration, compatibility with BACnet. Occupancy data and temperature and humidity sensors. Wireless control, easy to change control functionality with no rewiring required. Integrated photocells for daylight harvesting. Linx can be installed on new builds or retrofit to existing lights using a range of smart drivers, controllers and power monitors in combination with a zigbee wireless self-healing mesh that is scalable across any size building. The hardware arrives on site, is installed by your electrician, and we commission it without even entering the building. When you switch on your lights, everything works exactly as specified. This system can adapt and grow with your business by adding additional hubs to increase the capacity of your network with plug-and-play simplicity. The system automatically adds additional devices to the network without manual configuration, saving labour and time. Access the system on any standard web browser, on any tablet, phone or desktop, anywhere in the world. No specialised installer required. Your local or on-site electrician or installer can easily handle the job with no additional training. Our sales team will be delighted to deal with your inquiry, and having determined that Linx is the right solution for your needs, the following is a guide to the steps in a Linx order process. We conduct a lighting audit of your premises to identify requirements, and a specification document is completed. The hardware and software requirements will inform a lighting design brief. When this option is required, we will liaise with your IT provider to agree network requirements, and a server will be supplied at the delivery stage. For smaller projects, Linx Cloud Server app is available. We work with you to create a bespoke solution which will provide all the advantages of Linx that you choose to activate. Energy management, integrated photocells, occupancy data, PIR, microwave motion sensors, wireless control, smart emergency, temperature and humidity sensors, lighting status monitoring, building management system integration. Quotation only. For large-scale projects, system commissioning and validation will be performed remotely using VPN service. For smaller projects, we provide a basic setup guide, videos and phone support on downloading the Linx app, connecting to the gateway system, commissioning the system, groups, sensors, scenes, schedules and other software functions. For large projects, software training and documentation is provided. Ongoing technical support is available through Robus head office. For smaller projects, technical support is available through Robus head office.